I think it's important that as Christians, we lead by example. And I want to do a heart check on everyone that's in this building here today. And I want to ask you two questions. You're not going to answer these questions out loud, but I don't want you to lie to yourself either. The first question is, what example are you living your life by? Second question, who is the example that you follow? Now, the obvious church answer is, oh, Brother Danny, my example is Jesus Christ, and I follow Jesus Christ, right? I don't want the church answer. I want your heart's answer. Because if we keep giving these church answers and we keep moving along life as if nothing's ever happened, we can't get to the heart of the issue because we lie to ourselves about what the problem is to begin with. Because if Jesus truly is the example that we set and the example that we live by, then why in the world is there so much discontent and unforgiveness going around and hatred in the lives that we live in today's society? In the existence of history, you can take a look at an understudy and trace that person's work back to its mentor. We see this in martial arts, like fighting styles. You can see how someone sets up or how they take their stance or how they defend a punch, and you can say, oh, that's the work of Sensei so-and-so. Or war strategies. You can say how they line up in battle or how they plan their attacks or how they defend or retreat. You can say that's General so-and-so, and so on and so forth. But in that same way, people should be able to look at you and how you live your life and trace that back to Jesus. The fact of the matter is, I touched on this last week, but it bears mentioning again. I think it's important, and I think we should bring it up. And if y'all were at church Wednesday, I'm sorry. I kind of stepped into my lesson a little bit this morning. I had to make myself shut up, so y'all didn't hear the same sermon twice. But in everything that we do, we are representing something. We're either representing Jesus or we're representing the world. And how you live your life speaks more about your relationship with Jesus Christ than the words that come out of our mouths. In every situation, when you're in the world and at every action you do is representing Jesus as the way a Christian should live their life, or you are showing the world the same worldly mess that they see from everybody else that they come in contact with.